Many new pictures of Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. Yağmur Yüksel was wearing a white fairy dress and a beautiful cap. She was looking so much pretty and beautiful as always. Yes, guys. She was wearing a white dress, and in this white dress, she was looking just like a fairy. The beautiful look of Yağmur was looking more pretty. On the other hand, Baris Baktas has also shared a new sharing. Baris shared new pictures from the Egypt tour, and he is enjoying a lot with wife Kulam Baktas. So new sharing of Yağmur and Baris have been shared on social media.